All right, so this is actually my mean beehive. I've already checked the other ones, but this one right here, these boys are mean. I mean, they really aggressive. I'm gonna smoke the entrance a little bit. All right, so I'm about to pop this top, and when I tell you these boys don't play, these boys right here, off the easy, for sheezy. I'm gonna smoke them a little bit. Let's see if we can take this out. So I'm gonna use my hive tool with the J hook because they got propolis that makes the top of this stick. So I just got it cracked. All right. Got it cracked. Take this up. See what they got going on here. That's them bees. See, they doing dumb stuff. They building on top. Right. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's look at their productivity. So it looks like they're doing pretty good. Still building comb. This is a brand new hive. And so let me see. Still got this one right here doesn't have any comb on it. Got some wax. Looks like they're getting ready to try to do something. They're trying to come over this far. They just haven't gotten that far yet. What the hell? What is that? What is that? I have no idea what this is or what it was. Oh, looks like it might have been some propolis. So I'm gonna check the other area, make sure where they're working on, see what they got going on here. See them swarming. Well, they're not, I used the wrong word, not swarming, but getting aggressive. So yeah, they're building up here. This looks good. Let's check the other side. Yeah, I'm okay with that. It's like they working. These are females because it's flat. So we're gonna put this back in here. And we're gonna come back a little bit later. This is what I want you to do. I want you to love each other a little bit more, judge each other a little bit less, be blessed. This is Whitley Farms. We'll take care of you here on the farms. Whitley Farms. Come on.